What happens when a domestic call tests the limits of consent, force, and constitutional law?
Well, what's going on? Are you hurt?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just scared.
Just upset? What did they threaten to do?
They've been threatening to kill
18.
themselves.
I'm out talking to the caller by my cruiser. She said no weapons except for kitchen knives inside.
They've been threatening to kill themselves. We've had a really good day. I will be honest with you, we've both been drinking, and I think that's really bad for them.
Okay.
They got in a fight at our last apartment that we had. They took my phone. I'm originally from California, so that's where all my family is.
Okay.
And they, at our last place, they stole my phone. They ripped it out of my hands, ran upstairs, talked shit to my father and everybody. And now today they did the same thing, but recently they've been very depressed. And I talked to my mom recently. They've just been saying that they're really depressed, wanting to kill themselves.
Did they say how?
No.
Okay.
Today they did take my phone again for the second time. It's been a long time since that's happened.
Okay.
I just, they talk shit to my father, which I don't have a great relationship with, but my stepmom, she's my rock. I love her.
Okay.
And he talked shit to both of them.
Okay.
He's been mentioning a lot recently that they've been dealing with depression, and they've abused my cat in the past, so I'm really worried about that right now.
So what exactly did he say today as far as hurting himself? Just that he's depressed and wants to kill himself?
Today, he didn't say much of that. Well, yesterday he did a lot, and the day before that.
Okay. How long ago did you come outside?
I think when I first called 911 because I was able to get my phone back from him.
Is that your phone then?
This is my phone.
What name do they go by?
They go by Razor.
Okay. If I were to go address them, what am I going to call them?
Ray.
Ray?
H-R-E-A. I'm in a cop car. They're going upstairs for Razor. And he pushed me down, and I was scared he was going to kill himself, so now they're going inside. I think so. I just took your advice.
Yeah, I don't know if he knows that we're coming.
The officer held position at the threshold. Legally correct. Under Payton v. New York, 1980, warrantless home entry requires consent or exigency. The subject refused both. The officer did not push in.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you Razor?
Yeah,
How you doing?
I'm fine.
So we need to talk to you about an incident.
About what?
Please don't close the door on me.
I'm not gonna. I have cats that are
So-
gonna get out.
Who want to come up here?
Yeah. Do you mind if we step in?
I do mind.
Okay.
I have cats.
I know, that's why I was asking. Do you mind if we step in so we
Yes,
can
I
talk
do
to
mind.
you?
What do you
Okay.
need?
Okay. You live here with Andy, right?
I do.
Okay. Did anything happen?
Close that downstairs door, please.
Careful because that door handle was
Yeah, his parents
falling off.
calling him.
No. Was there any argument or anything that happened between you two today?
Just real quick, can I
His
see
parents
both?
calling him.
Razor,
Yeah.
Can I see both of your hands, please? Thank you.
You guys got into an argument today?
Yes.
What was that
It
over?
just needs to be closed, Missouri, so the cats don't get out.
The Compton one might be better. You guys had an argument today. What was that over?
His parents calling him and literally giving him depression, literally making him cry.
Okay. Do they live in California still?
Yeah.
They do? Okay, and then that caused you guys to get into an argument?
Known suicidal ideation, intoxication, and reported battery could have independently justified entry under Kentucky v. King, 2011. The officer's restraint was cautious, not mandated. Detention was lawful under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. reasonable suspicion met by the 911 call alone. What followed elevated it to probable cause.
Can you get your foot out of my door?
No.
Because I'm not going to close the door. But that makes me feel like I don't have a choice.
Well, right now you're detained for investigations. You don't have.
Oh, cool. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so you guys got into a verbal argument, correct?
Correct.
Okay, did anything turn physical?
Yeah. We hit each other.
Okay. Can you elaborate on that? Like, how did that get started?
I hit him, he hit me.
Okay. Why did you hit him?
Because we got into a verbal argument.
Okay, where'd you hit him at?
The face.
Okay, punch, slap, push?
Punch.
Punch. Okay. You punched him first and then he punched you back?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And you guys, you're roommates, you're in a relationship. What's the relationship here?
What does it matter?
Well, it does matter.
Okay, what are you asking me? What do you want?
Are you guys in a dating relationship?
Yes, what do you want?
And you both live here, correct?
Oh, God. Yes, we do.
It's an LB 23 UTL from Backdoll.
Okay. All right.
Back on break.
So you punched him in the
Okay.
face during the argument. He
Yes,
punched
your
you back
welfare
how?
check just came
Punched you in the
in.
face, slapped you in the face,
Keyhole
the arms,
was long open
in the
again.
face. Do you have any marks or anything on you?
I don't bruise easy. No.
Okay.
He was just upset. He stole my phone from me when I was talking to my parents about my own issues, and I was scared that he took my phone. I got it back from him, and then he was just trying to take it back from me, and I was able to escape. I'm sitting in the back of a cop car right now for my own comfort, and I'm just watching, and I'm just scared. Well, we were drinking just a little bit, and he was mainly super mad that I was talking to my dad and having feelings about my dad and my stepmom, and
The subject voluntarily admitted mutual battery, unprompted, during non-custodial detention. Miranda does not attach here. These statements are clean, admissible, and dispositive.
he was just super mad.
All right. For right now, you're gonna go in handcuffs.
Get on the...
Get on the ground.
Like, stop kicking. Stop kicking. You're gonna. Stop kicking. You're gonna get tased.
I'm gonna bite you.
Stop kicking. Don't do that. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Roll over. Give me your hand. All right, keep that hand. Keep that hand. I got the
Trying
other
to bite me.
I know. All right, stop, stop, stop. I got both hands. Just get some more units here.
Sad to take 3 officers down, huh? Yes.
Can we get some more units?
Go ahead and tase me again.
You good?
Morning, you can sit on the leg.
Yep. Trying.
Sit on the leg. She's trying. Stop. Do not pull your head. I'm going to
Stop!
pathetic. It's clawing the shit out of my hands. Stop! Stop!
Stop! Okay, these are right there. Stop! Hands behind your fucking back!
Hands behind your back right now!
You're gonna get it again if you move. Do you understand?
Am I bleeding from my face?
No, you're okay.
Never been in the back of a cop car.
23. Slow everybody down. Apprehension. Start at 32 and a supervisor.
You okay?
Fucking don't grab her hands. She just took gouges out of her hand.
You're gonna get tased again if you do it again.
Fucking stop
I know.
touching me. You kidding me?
Break these cables. We're not gonna move her until Move them.
Careful this program.
Yeah. Move over, roll over to your side. Tuck your knees. I'm not saying please.
Tuck your knees.
Say please!
We're gonna sit you up on your butt so you're in a good position.
She's gonna stay right here. Please recover her position. She's fine. Not doing shit else until she's in a wreck.
Graham versus Connor, 1989. Force is assessed on crime severity, immediacy of threat, and active resistance. All three factors were present. The taser deployment was objectively reasonable. Approximately 6 minutes of prone restraint raises a due process concern. Post-2020 training mandates minimizing prone hold duration to prevent positional asphyxia. Officers eventually transitioned to lateral recovery. Compliant, but delayed.
No, sit me up,
No.
and I'll cooperate.
No.
You're just mad because I called you.
18, any unit that's coming,
You.
if you could please grab my wrap out of my cruiser. There is a female in my cruiser as well. Be advised.
You men are f***ing weaker than she is. Y'all are pathetic.
Stay here until somebody else gets here.
Yeah, stay here until another woman comes here. Oh my god. So don't sit her up. Don't sit her up. She'll f me up again.
Yep.
Yep.
Keep on talking.
Cause I'm right? Yeah. Yeah, this will definitely get you a promotion. I can feel your knees shaking, dude. I can
Stop.
feel your knees shaking.
Is it my knees shaking or is you moving?
Look at you. 3 people pushing on me because you can't stand me. You dumb. Not you, baby girl. Him. This ginger motherfucker.
18, which house are you guys in again?
We're in the upper apartment, whatever the address is on the call note. Apartment 2. 9-2, apartment 2.
Cops are pulling up with emergency
9-2, apartment
vehicles.
2.
I'm so scared.
It's gonna be the door on the left in front of the building.
Cass, please. The EMTs are running inside. Oh my god, please stay on the phone with me. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll calm down.
Stop.
Then tell him to stop touching me! I don't like men! Touching me? You kidding me? Ah!
21.
You'll just call up and you don't know.
Boys can't handle me.
She's biting, trying to already.
Yeah, she's already trying to bite and claw.
I'm trying to bite and claw men, and they're too f***ing stupid to get that.
I'm so scared. I hear the radio in the cop car and nothing's going crazy on the radio. They're just asking for backup.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, roll over to your side.
Stop. Let go.
Where's she gonna hold it?
My radio, my keys. Stop.
23 or 18 EMS approach.
Let go of the radio.
Negative.
Copy.
Let go of the
Let's
radio.
go.
Nobody wants to do that.
Give me the Akron police! Give me the Akron police! Me now! Akron police!
Alright, got it out of one hand.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Hold back, Eddie.
Come on, roll on your side.
We're gonna set her up, just make sure she doesn't bite you.
Take my mouth!
Sit up. Sit up.
Alright, stay away from her mouth.
Hold on, wait.
Loosen that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Not too sweet. We got room in here? Yep.
Bend the feet, watch your hands.
Good.
The helmet's over there.
1, 2,
I don't know if we're gonna.
Unit available in 10th District, 9 with the weapon, south of me.
I want Andy to see it.
It's not gonna work.
You want to grab a side and I'll grab a side?
They're grooved.
Yeah.
Let me have your knees.
Have them bring the. Hey, can you guys bring the cot up here?
All the weak ass.
16 year old coming in Dodge, bring Dodge Challenger.
Weak. You literally look like a transvestite that I just walked on the table.
Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Okay, yes, please, thank you. Please stay with me at this car.
Lift me up. There you go.
Can I get an incident number for 730 Callis Drive, reference of death?
I could bite your face off, you know that? Wow. I'm talking to him.
That's rude.
Rude? Oh, that's rude. That's the best you're gonna. That's rude. That's all. That's it. It is rude. Okay.
Flashlight.
That's rude.
So I just arrived after she got tased.
Oh,
So
Jesus
it was
Christ.
a domestic.
Can I hug her? No.
She's under arrest right now. She bit and spit all
ahead.
out.
Go! Shut the f*** up, Cassandra! You didn't give a shit when you put me in that f***ing hotel! You literally closed down and got the f***ing awful! You! You! You!
It's the hardest thing. Yeah. History of violence or anything
Yes.
like that?
Yeah. Very much so.
3 charges: domestic battery, assault on an officer, and resisting arrest. Disposition unknown. Any defense challenge to the threshold timeline or prone duration is weak against on-camera admissions and documented active resistance. Grades. Officer: B- plus. Sound legal restraint and justified force, offset by extended prone duration and unprofessional conduct during custody. Subject: C. Lawful refusal of entry, then physical resistance converted 1 charge into 3. Caller: A-. Accurate, detailed reporting. Minor deduction for approaching during active arrest. Department: B. Functional protocols, but 2-officer deployment to a documented DV with suicidal ideation was a resource miscalculation. Lessons learned. 1. Voluntary statements during investigative detention carry full evidentiary weight. Silence is always a right, and often the smarter legal choice. 2. Resisting a lawful arrest adds independent criminal exposure and resets the force analysis, regardless of whether the underlying arrest is later challenged. 3. Prone restraint duration is an active liability issue. RAP arrival time should be treated as a performance metric. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.